Hi all, this is Steve Miley, Market Chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the euro and the pound, both against the US dollar in here. And we're getting a slightly firming tone in here for the US dollar against most major currencies since the Wednesday the 20th September meeting. The FOMC meeting concluded with a more hawkish stance from the FOMC than previously anticipated. And that hawkish stance meaning a stronger US dollar. And we can see there on euro versus dollar, there's the sell-off in euro dollar. It's the rally in the US dollar after that meeting. We did get a rebound in here going into the end of last week, but we still think that's part of this topping pattern that's developing for euro dollar, part of a head and shoulders topping pattern in here. And we do see real threat for a breakdown through these supports here, 118.60, 118.37, and then if confirmed below 118.21 through the neckline, that would see a more negative shift, a more negative tone for the euro versus the dollar, and certainly seeing a topping pattern of a shift in the intermediate term outlook to more of a range environment, but with a negative theme. Only all the way down through 116.61 would see the intermediate term outlook from our perspective shift more bearish. If you look at cable in here, the pound versus the dollar, a slightly more resilient tone here for the pound staying very, very firm right the way from late August through early September into this surging rally taking us to post-Brexit highs in here for the pound. However, after Theresa May's speech in Florence on Friday, the market selling off in here and also a setback there after the Fed. So there's the setback from the Fed, there's the setback Friday, and we feel there's real threat. Even though the intermediate term outlook looks bullish, the short term outlook is for a push down through the support in this area here, 134.48.34, and maybe for a deeper correction going into the early part of this week and into late September. So a negative tone for both the euro and the pound in the very short term versus the dollar. This has been Steve Miley, the Market Chartist, on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.